Give Tanya a pig nose. I just don't understand that. Your nose where the bone is. There's something odd about that. We want to soften that. The lower part of your nose, right over here, that's a little high. We need to put a combination of skin and cartilage inside your nostrils to lower that. Right? Yeah. I'm glad we were helpful. Thank you. My fingers are crossed. I would have so much more freedom to express myself.